Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. What I want to show is I saw this online on Twitter actually, the best way to make a homemade mask. Now the reason I was wondering about this is Pennsylvania, my state, has just said that if you go out it is best to have a mask on. And it doesn't need to be the N95, just some kind of protection over your nose and mouth. And this actually seemed like the easiest and the simplest that I've seen, and I'd been looking for one, and I figure I'd pass this on. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, this may go, nationwide, that people should have some type of protection over them when they go out. So let me show you what I'm doing. So this is one of my washed hankies that I have, and it's cotton. And on the internet it seems cotton is one of the better fabrics to use for this. So let me set this camera up a little different. So we'll just show you how to go about this. It's actually pretty simple. So we'll bring it over, we'll put it this way, do this, take two rubber bands, one around here, one around here, bring it in about so far. We're going to bring this in together and fold this into here the best that we can. Get it tucked in there. And then you have it like this. Just take this with the two rubber bands. Just hold on, we'll change the angle of the camera. So now that we got the mask together, we gotta watch here, gotta be careful not to pull it apart. Bring it up here, put it around your ears, bring it down, and there you go. You have a nice comfortable mask that you can take off and wash, made of cotton, and there you have it. That simple. So hope you enjoy, and this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you got to do it yourself, well, I guess you always can. Thanks for watching. See ya.